crunchy crumb, juicy chicken, and the perfect salad to go with it. So this is what I do when I'm cooking dinner and I don't have any childcare. I'm just making some Kūmara chips, which are going to go with the chicken schnitzel. Drizzle of olive oil, sprinkle of salt, and grate some parmesan all over the top. Toast them. And now the chicken schnitzel. Put one hand flat on top of the chicken breast, cut all the way, and then you've got 2 chicken schnitzels. Now what we've got to do is crumb the schnitzel, crack the egg.
Yeah.
Good boy! Yeah. Alright, so while Arlo is mixing the egg, mix these sunflower seeds with a bit of panko crumb. Goes into flour first, the egg mixture with a crumb. So Kūmara chips in the oven, olive oil. Perfect. Oh, yum. Look how crunchy and crispy. Yummy!
That's delicious.